in a linear differential equation, how can solve it? So in a differential equation, it consists of two parts. That is a GS means general solutions, and this is a complementary function particular integral. Okay, this is a question is given to find out the first of all complementary function. In a complementary function, what you'll do? अभी क्या करेंगे, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन निकालेंगे तो ये इनपुट फंक्शन जो भी है साइन कॉस जो भी है इसको जीरो करेंगे, ठीक है। तो जीरो कर दिया तो बाद में इसको क्या करेंगे, तो डी बाई डी एक्स को कैपिटल डी लिखेंगे, और ये ठीक है, इसका पावर कितना वन है, इसका पावर वन लिखेंगे, कैपिटल लिखेंगे, और ये डी स्क्वायर बाई डी सी स्क्वायर कैपिटल डी स्क्वायर, सिमिलरली डी क्यू बाई एक्स क्यू दैट इज डी क्यू। ओके, so this value will put this. Okay, why not we mention, so y will be simple, right? Okay, ये constant है, ये constant लिखेंगे, d by dx what is the value, the d, and d square by d square that is a d square. Okay, so in this term y is common, we're taking the y is common. Okay, so y is equal to d square plus 5d plus 6 is 0. Okay, now using a factorization, first and last multiply is a first and last multiply 6d square. So 6d square means both multiply 6d square, and what is the value? The sum is 5d, that is you can write 2d 3d. Okay, 2d 3 means what? 2 plus 3 that is 5d. Okay, and multiply 2 3 6 d square. Okay, 6 into d square. Okay, so in this place we can write, and d plus 3d will common, 2d plus 6 will common. This 12 common d is there, d into d plus 3, 2 into d plus 3. Okay, so this is a two term getting d plus 2 and d plus 3 is 0. Okay, so d plus 2 is equal to 0 and d plus 3 is equal to 0, that is d plus 2 0 means d minus 2. Okay, left side. So right side, d plus 2 is 0, the d is equal to minus 2, d plus 3 is 0, d is equal to minus 3. Okay, we are getting, if the complementary function rule is there, if the roots are different, the value is different, the root is different, means the formula is c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 m2x. Okay, what is the root? The root we can consider, this is m1 value, this is m2 value. Okay, this is a formula, this is a put this formula and get this answer if the roots are different. Second thing, if the roots are same, question solve, that is suppose d square y by ds square. Okay, that is 4 dy by dx. Okay, 4y is equal, any function is there, so first of all is 0. Okay, so find the complementary function, find the complementary, CF means complementary function. Okay, first of all solution, the questions you can write. Okay, so d by dx is equal to capital D, the d square by dc square, that is d square. Okay, so put this value. Okay, that is d square y plus 4d plus 4. Okay, the y is common, we got to common, that is y is equal to d square plus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a formula, this is a d plus 2 row whole square, so d plus 2 row square. Okay, that is d plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b, that is d plus 2 into d plus is equal to 0. The d plus 2 is equal to 0 means d is equal to minus 2, and d plus 2 is 0 means minus 2. Okay, you are getting two values are equal, if the roots are equal, so the formula is c1, the complementary function, that is CF. Okay, so CF is equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power c1 plus c2 x, c1 plus c2 total whole e to the power m1x. Okay, so the complementary function is c1 plus c2x e to the power minus 2x if the roots are equal. Okay, similarly if the roots, three numbers are equal, if the three roots, suppose d minus 3. Okay, suppose similar questions, so d is equal to, suppose d is equal to minus 3 is q. Okay, suppose getting this complementary function, so that is a minus b whole cube means a minus b into a minus b, a minus b is multiplied 3 times, so d minus 3 is multiplied 3 times, so d minus 3, d minus 3, d minus 3, okay, is equal to 0. So d is equal to, what is the value, 3 comma 3 comma 3. If the roots are equal, this is the rule, so you can write the formula. This is the formula: c1 plus c2x plus c3x square. Okay, this is a complementary function. This is a complementary function. E to the power, what is the same root, we can write m1x. Okay, so next point, that is complementary function. This is the answer. Okay, this is a formula. So c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power, what is the value m, that is 3x. Okay, second thing is the second, this is third rule. If the roots are imaginary, okay, questions are given for find out complementary function if the roots are imaginary. Okay, so d plus 9 square is into y is equal to 0. Okay, d plus sorry, so d is okay. So questions are given d square y by s square, okay, plus 9y is equal to 0. So find the CF. So first of all, d by dx is equal to capital D, d square by d square, that is d square. Okay, so this is a d square, we can write d square y plus 9y is equal to 0. Y is common, so d square plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so the d square is equal to what, minus 9. This is a plus, take the right side minus, so d is equal to plus minus 3i. Okay, this is a minus 9 means in complex number tell that the negative number is the square root is I. Okay, so in case there is no real, only getting the imaginary value. Okay, so suppose this is a example alpha plus I beta, this is a real value. Okay, this is a imaginary value. In this case a real value 0. Okay, so imaginary value only 3. That's why this is a formula, that is complementary function is equal to e to the power alpha x, the c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, in case of a, this is alpha no not there, alpha अभी नहीं है इसमें, तो alpha value 0 पुट कर देंगे. Okay, तो e to the power 0x, the c1, what is the beta value? Beta value is imaginary value 3 put, that is cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Okay, e to the 0 is 1, so this is a complementary function. So beta c1 cos beta plus c2 sin, okay, the beta value what, that is 3x. Okay, sorry, cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Okay, so c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Okay, this is the rule of the differential equation of the complementary function. Okay, complementary function has another problem, we have to solve it. Okay, so this is another questions, that is d square y by dx square, that is 4 dy by dx plus, that is 5y is equal to 0. Find a complementary function. Okay, so another question is given, that is y is equal to 2, and dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square when x is equal to 0. Okay, in this case how can find it? First of all, we have find the complementary function. Okay, so let this will already solve it. Okay, so d by dx is equal to capital D, d square by d square, that is capital D square. Okay, so these equations will be reduces. अभी क्या करेंगे, ये वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे, ये डी बाई डी एक्स इस जगह पुट करेंगे, डी स्क्वायर बाई डी स्क्वायर इस जगह पुट करेंगे, तो डी स्क्वायर वाई हो जाएगा और 4 डी वाई plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay, so what will you do? The y is taking common, that is y taking common, that is d square plus 4d plus 5 equal to 0, y in equal to 0, y value 0, d square plus 4d equal plus 5 equal to 0, so d square plus 4d plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so if you calculate the value by using a quadratic equations, already solved it, so d is equal to minus 2 plus I. Okay, so this is a root is complex number is real value and imaginary value, that called a complex number. So minus 2 is real value and minus is I is a what is I value? I is a imaginary value. So this complex number already have to my link is there. I can send you. If any doubt, you can ask the questions. And electrically and electronics practical will be given training. Okay. So I give the contact number. You can contact me. Okay. So this is a question. So y is equal to dy by dx equal to, that is d square y by d square, that is a double derivative. Okay, so y is equal to, first of all, dy by dx. Okay, this is a y value. Okay, so y value means is, first of all, you have to represent a complex number. Okay, the complex number formula e to the power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, so this is alpha value minus 2, so we can write e to the power minus 2x c1 cos, that is x plus c2 sin. Okay, so first of all, this is a dy dx is that, this is a first derivative, we can write, find out using तो दिस ओवर द डेरिवेटिव. हमें अभी क्या करेंगे, इसका ऊपर डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे. तो डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ई टू द पावर माइनस 2x c1 cos x, okay, plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, okay, so this is a c1 is constant taken outside, this is a e to the minus 2x cos x, this is a product formula, product derivative. So product derivative means, product formula derivative means this is a derivative constant plus, and this is a derivative and constant. Okay, I already have a derivative formula, and derivative problem will solve it. We can check out this link. Okay, and this is e to the minus 2x in sin bx, that is a derivative this term, constant this, and the alternate this will derivative and will constant. Okay, so this is of getting this value, that is getting this e to the power minus 2x, okay, that is minus 2b or beta we can write. Okay, beta, that is minus 2 into cos x minus, that is a e to the power minus e to the minus 2x minus 2 cos derivative, that is sin x, okay, plus, okay, thus that is b minus 4 into cos x. Okay, this is a getting this value. Okay, then you are getting the double derivative, the d square y by d square, this is a double derivative means this over this. Okay, so we can get e to the power minus 2x, okay, that is minus 4b plus 6, okay, that is cos x plus 3b plus 8 into sin x. Okay, so this is a condition is there, this is a first derivative equal to second derivative, you get this thing, this first and second, we get this minus 2x minus cancel, and you to solve it, that's the value is obtaining. And to solve the equation, and what is the value x is the value 0, because this will be cancelled. Okay, this is a, that is dy by dx is equal to d square by d square, this will equating this term, this term cancel, and this term is there. Okay, so you have to solve it. Okay, and at the condition x is equal to 0 and x will be 0 putting. Okay, and after this putting this value, x value b minus 4 is equal to minus b plus 6. Okay, that is, you can solve it. The b is equal to 2. Okay, so in this case you can write this is b value is a complex number. Okay, it's a beta, we can write b. Okay, you can write bx. Okay, this is a, okay, this is, you can write b. Okay, this is a b. Okay, so b is equal to 2, and this value we put in this is this equations. Okay, so e to the power, okay, that is y is equal to e to the power minus 2x. Okay, that is 2 cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, that is a, the 2 is that common, we can write e to the power minus 2x cos x plus sin x. We can use a square bracket. Okay, thank you.